how do you scale the production of books and reading resources for children in a multicultural, multilingual environment like India? And that's when we started to look at technology as a possible solution. So we have a platform now that we've launched called Storyweaver, and it kind of addresses this problem at two levels. At the first level, it provides access to a large repository of reading resources. So anybody can go onto the platform and can read a book of their choice in a language of their choice. So, access is one key enabler on the platform. The second piece that we've done, which for us is equally important, is we've provided a set of tools on the platform which enable people to repurpose the content that is available into different versions in different languages. And that becomes a great way of actually multiplying and proliferating the content that is available for children. And the statistic that kind of really validates our hypothesis on this is we launched in September with 800 stories in 24 languages. We're now at 1800 stories in 44 languages. The interesting thing about the tribal languages is that these languages are really underserved in terms of reading resources, and and organizations that work with children from these communities need first language literacy materials. So there's an organization, for instance, in West Bengal that's working with the Santhali community, and they have virtually no reading resources for children. So they've translated some of the content on Storyweaver, on the Storyweaver platform into Santhali using the Bangla script. We also have another feature on the platform where you can download the stories for use. You can either download it for offline use, in places where you don't have internet connectivity, or you can download a high-res version which you can use to print. So we've had roughly about 60,000 downloads so far, of which about half are high-res downloads. And stories are really important for the development of the child, because that's how children, open up their minds and open up their imaginations, and they're able to imagine worlds beyond their own. In fact, one of my favorite stories about, favorite stories on this is that recently we were in Kota, and we were talking to a bunch of children about some of the books that we'd created, and we were getting their response on it. And there was this one girl who'd read a recent book that we'd published called How Do Aeroplanes Fly? And she had this most astonished look on her face, and she said कि मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि लड़कियाँ plane उड़ा सकती हैं. So the fact that that became the realm of her possibility is really what books do.
My name is Harini S.A. I'm studying in 4th standard. My school name is My School. Story means we will get that replay, then we had so much fun. Then we will tell to our friends, means they had so much fun. Then they will tell, please read the story and come to tell for me.